Hey, I have here from SmartDawn a very cool set of permanent outdoor lights. You know, if you leave your Christmas lights up all year, these are sunproof, IP67 waterproof, which means they can handle the rain, windproof, and snowproof. They are RGB, and they're pretty unique. First, you get a really cool app. I've got some of them on here. You can obviously do, your solid colors, that kind of thing. But what's really slick is it has a mapping feature. So if you see that area there, you can change how they flicker. You can kind of customize pretty much anything you want with the lights. So that's one cool feature. And then also you have your controller here that will also allow you just with a click, have it do different chase scenes, different color patterns, that kind of thing. We're going to take these outside soon and put them up, and I'll have some footage here. I'll show you what they look like at night. But I wanted you to take a look at the diode itself. You can see how it's completely encased in a clear plastic bubble. Make sure you can see that. The cabling is nice and thick and flat, and they come in 50 foot, 100, 150, and 200 feet lengths. You do get a bag of screws and clips. Not my favorite way to install them. This is a lot of work here. You're better off getting, they do have on the back side peel and stick tape. So you can try that if you got a flat surface or if you're going to go to your gutters. But you might want to get those clips that grab this and go to your gutter, so like gutter hooks. Just depends on how you're going to place them on your house. This set here, kind of give you an idea, that is 100 feet. And they work in sections. Let's see if we can find, so you have connections like this to hook them up in sections. So you don't have to have it all in 100-foot piece to get them set up. It allows you to do it in chunks. Makes the install a little bit easier. I forgot to mention too, right here on the outside of each plastic piece are screw holes. So again, you could use their screws, or you could get some of the little bigger heads on them, make it a little easier. So if you're going to do a permanent install and you want to use these all year round, you certainly can do that. It's a pretty sophisticated and high quality system. So SmartDawn, take a look at all of the different color spreads here at night. It's a very nice system. Give them a look if you really want some high quality smart, Christmas lights, or daily decor that you could use all year round, or expect them to last a long time.